Today I wanted to show everyone how to keep your computer fast, or how to speed it up. Well, both actually. So there's a few programs I use, one being CCleaner. CCleaner lets you clean temporary files that you don't need. So yeah, I mean, it will clean out your recycle bin, so just keep aware of that. But it'll clean out temporary files that really don't need. So if you, well, first let's get it. So we go to CCleaner. So it's the first link, puriform/CCleaner. It's completely free. So yeah, you just go download that and install it. So anyways, you can hit Run Cleaner if you want to clean all the temporary files. Also, running the registry cleaner is great. It'll scan for issues and you can fix them. Let me go ahead and run it. Sometimes they ask you if you need to back up your registry, but that's usually, see here, it's a good idea, I guess, if you want to. So you can save it as a .reg in your documents or something if you want to. But yeah, you just go fix selected issues, and yeah, fix them. That's it. Also, what really slows down a lot of computers is every app that starts up with the computer. So under Tools of CCleaner, there's a Startup button, and it will list all the programs that start up with your computer, and this takes away from the memory that could be used on other applications. So if you see something you don't use or you don't recognize, well, I mean, some of these are important. You want to go through each of these programs. I mean, you want to Google them, make sure you do use them, or if you don't use them. But in any case, I mean, you want to disable them, because when they're disabled, they won't automatically run with your computer, and thus speeding it up. So that's a great way to do things. Also, simply just uninstalling applications you don't use can help, because it'll be less cluttered. So yeah, go through all your programs and see if you actually use them, and if not, uninstall them. So that's one thing I do. Another easy thing you can do is just go to Start and right-click Computer, and you go to Properties. And now there's a button, if you're on Windows 7, Advanced System Settings. So this will let you, under the Advanced tab, there's a Settings button. So you click that, and these are options that are just, to make it look nice. I mean, the basic ones are the ones I use: desktop composition, transparent glass, using thumbnails instead of icons, so you can see what the content of your file is just by looking at the icon. Showing your window contents while dragging, that's pretty good. And smooth edge screen fonts, well, that's up to you. I mean, you can see how that looks with and without it enabled. And then visual styles, well, that's kind of the theme I use, is just the basic Windows 7 theme. But if you want best performance, well, you would click best performance, and that would deselect all these options, and thus giving you a huge or pretty significant speed boost. Anyways, if you're on, it's great to keep your drivers updated also. So if you have nVidia, and you're a gamer, you want to be sure that you're, while using the latest drivers, and it's important to clean old ones out. So there's a program called Drive Sweeper, and what it allows you to do is, I'll put a link in the description, or I think it changed, looks like it changed to display driver uninstaller. And so what it lets you do is cleans out all your graphics drivers. Like say you switched between nVidia and AMD, well, you want to clean all that stuff out and then download the latest drivers, you know, on their website. And this will be a huge improvement on your performance, because having clean drivers is really useful. Another thing you could do is get an application called Defragler, and it lets you defrag, same company as Crap Cleaner or CCleaner. It lets you defrag your system, so I already have it installed. Yeah, it lets you see the health of your drive, and you can defrag or defragment each drive you want to help. You know, if you have a lot of big files, it helps with performance. That's basically all I do. So yeah, try these out, and it should really help. Thanks for watching.